No, hold the pole where I told you. Okay? And Daddy will help you. Hold the reel. Don't reel till I tell you. Don't reel yet. Missed it. Got it. Reel. Reel him in. Reel him in. Okay, get down on your knee, babe. Get the net in the water. You get him. You got him. Oh, got him.
We got one.
Okay, bring the net over here. Stand right there, babe. Boom. Daddy's got to get him, okay? And you put him in the bucket. You got him.
Smile.
Yay. I'm so happy.
Hold still, fish.
That's a big one.
That's a good one.
That's a good one for the first day.
Was it good, Dad?
Yeah, you did really good.
Good.
Okay, we'll get the hook out of him, and then we'll put him in the bucket.
Once they finally actually grab it.
But my fishing pole is stuck.
Just wait. Come on.
Oh, please. Oh, hell no.
Boo. Wait.
I want to
Okay, let's put him in the bucket.
I want to get another
Look at him, he's in the bucket. Look, he's got pink on him.
Can I do...
Yeah, we're going to get 2 more. Okay, let me put some more bait on. Don't move, hold still.
Keep stepping on my foot.
Sorry. Oh, I hope I can live.
You want to get another one?
Don't stay back.
You having fun? She's posing for the camera.
Oh, yeah. He's hiding the fish.
Hold the pole.
Got it.
Sorry.
I got it there.
Just hold it, wait.
Okay, I got it. This one.
He's quite lively.
Okay.
I'm not going for the real big one for her, but a nice size one like that one is perfect. Watch the pole.
You can do the pole, okay?
They're eating little pieces of power bait. Okay, get ready.
As soon as you throw it in, they swarm it.
Step forward. Okay, get ready to reel.
Ready?
Get ready to reel. Hold this part.
Steady.
No, wait. Hold right there.
Steady.
Don't move.
Steady. And go. And now. Now what?
Get him. Oh, he came off.
Here you go. This is going to be a good one. You can get him.
Get him.
Get him.
Oh, oh, there he is. Okay, step back to the grass. Let Daddy get him off the hook.
That's a good one.
Bubba, hold the pole for her.
Like this?
Yep. Other hand. This hand. Okay, now get ready to reel. Hold the reel. Okay, wait. Now hold it. There you go.
The big one started swimming.
No, you don't. Ready, and...
Reel it a little bit. There. Get the wrap around here. Wait. Hold still. Don't move, bud.
Now listen to Daddy, okay? He's trying to teach you the right way to do it. Right there.
Okay. Now when you get ready, you're going to put the rod tip down in the water here. Yeah, you see the orange or the green stuff? Oh, Little guy's aggressive.
Yeah.
Little guys.
Yeah, that's little guys.
No. Boo, you gotta hold it like this then. So I can control it a little bit. Oh.
You don't have to worry about a hook. It's covered.
That's a good one right there.
Ready? Daddy.
That little fish.
Yeah, he's just slippery, little.
A couple of good ones right
No.
And go. And go. And go.
That big one's not going after it.
That's a good one. That's a little guy.
He's small, but
That's why I put a big wad of bait on. He doesn't have enough chompers to get it. Oh, he took your bait. We gotta get another bait.
Oh, not again.
Hold the pole.
Okay, I'll hold it right here.
Okay.
I'm so excited for my fish. Sorry for good one, but I didn't get it. Sorry.
No. That one. Huge one.
Oh.
He's the one I want.
Wait, hold still, dude.
You having fun?
We'll hold that fun.
You having fun?
Yeah, right now. Okay.
You gotta settle down.
Ready?
He's so close when you don't have it in there.
Steady.
Big one. You'll be there to help her, so.
Oh, I know that.
That, I think a big fish would make her happy.
She already got one good one.
Well, the really big one.
We charged for the size. Okay, Bill, let me get it ready.
Okay,
Hold still, hold still. Stand back. Let me get the poke. Get it here. Okay. Hold it in your hand. Okay, get ready to reel.
Oh, still no way.
There's a good one. There's a good one. Big one went after it. Big one went after it again. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, we got him. Reel. Oh, he came off.
Sorry, but we're gonna
It's okay, honey.
That's a good one. Oh, he came off. Nope, we don't want that little guy.
You don't have bait.
Oh, we got to put a little more bait on. Hold still. Stand right there. Hold the rod. Stand right there and hold the rod.
We don't want you falling in, Boo. Probably easier if you're on Daddy Bird's side. So I've got the camera and Andrew.
What?
Probably easier if you're on Daddy Bird's side.
I am.
Are you recording right now?
Kind of. I've been recording the entire thing.
Okay, stay back.
That's why parts of it are going to be kind of. I'm trying to.
Edit it.
Yeah. I got a lot of the water of her and her trying to get the fish out of the water.
Just wait.
That one right there.
Okay. Get ready to reel. Oh, there's a good one. Don't reel yet. Don't reel yet. You gotta wait till you get a fish on the reel. Come on.
I got it.
Little guy.
It would be easier if I
Oh, missed him.
Oh, no, you don't.
Lost half of your bait.
Lost the rest of it. Got some little more bait on.
The little ones are aggressive.
Bait thieves.
Not again.
Hold the pole. That's part of fishing.
Little ones are
Don't
aggressive
drop
though.
the pole.
Whoa.
Okay. The little ones are aggressive though.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Have you considered dead good? I think one of them died. Yeah, we're gonna eat them for dinner probably one of these days.
Okay. Now, follow Daddy. Come here. Hold my hand. We'll walk down and see if we can find a different one.
Go down into the shade more. Big guy right there.
Don't move. Don't move. Okay. Hold really still. Oh, he's freaked out.
Oh, not this one. Oh, no you don't.
Oh, she got one. Oh, missed him.
Oh.
Got him. Oh, get him. Get him. Real, real. Oh.
Got him.
Look at all the.
Nice pink on him.
Okay, get back on the grass.
Can I stop recording now?
Can I get one for Mommy?
I'm done recording.
Can I get one for Daddy?
No, we got 3.
Am I done recording?
Yeah.